Welcome to At AgriField 1993. Today we're exploring the basics and benefits of goat farming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, this guide will provide you with essential insights into this profitable venture. What is goat farming? Goat farming involves raising goats for milk, meat, fiber, or as pets. Goats are adaptable, low-maintenance livestock that can thrive in diverse environments. They require less space and feed compared to other livestock, making them ideal for small-scale and large-scale farming. Benefits of goat farming. Low initial investment. Goats require minimal infrastructure, reducing startup costs. Diverse products: milk, meat, fiber, and manure. High reproductive rate. Goats can breed twice a year, producing twins or triplets. Adaptability. Goats can graze on marginal lands and varied vegetation. Resilient to diseases. Goats are hardy and can adapt to different climates. Types of goat farming. Dairy farming. Breeds like Saanen, Nubian, and Alpine produce high-quality milk. Meat farming. Boer and Kiko goats grow rapidly and provide lean meat. Fiber farming. Angora and Cashmere goats produce valuable wool and fiber. Setting up your goat farm. Shelter. Provide a dry, well-ventilated space to protect goats from extreme weather. Feed and water. Supply fresh water, quality forage, and mineral supplements. Healthcare. Implement regular deworming, vaccination, and veterinary checkups. Fencing. Ensure sturdy goat-proof fencing to prevent escapes and protect from predators. Challenges in goat farming. Disease management. Monitor for parasites and respiratory diseases. Feed availability. Feed shortages can impact productivity. Market access. Establish reliable networks to sell goat products. Climate adaptation. Extreme weather can affect goat health and production. Is goat farming profitable? Goat farming can be profitable with proper management. Focus on quality products, effective breeding practices, and cost control. Diversify income streams by producing milk, meat, fiber, and manure. Final thoughts and recommendations. Goat farming is a sustainable and profitable agricultural venture. With the right strategy, you can maximize profits while maintaining low costs. Stay tuned for more agricultural insights and practical farming tips. Subscribe to At AgriField 1993 channel for more informative content.